Nestled more than 20 miles to the east of Cairo, Egypt, a new administrative capital is emerging from the sands, envisioned as a marvel of modernity and functionality. This monumental project, with an eye-watering budget nearing $58 billion, encompasses a visionary blueprint that includes a sprawling central park stretching for miles, a bustling business district adorned with a towering edifice crafted by Chinese architects, and sprawling new headquarters envisioned for the Egyptian Ministry of Defense, affectionately known as the Octagon. However, amidst the grandeur and optimism surrounding this endeavor, whispers of skepticism have begun to surface. Some voices in the discourse question the practicality of a city designed for a population of 6 million, pondering whether such a vast populace could indeed afford the opulence and infrastructure proposed by this ambitious venture. As the project advances, Egypt finds itself at a crossroads, grappling with an economic crisis exacerbated by borrowing on a massive scale. The country's historical role as a diplomatic mediator between Israel and the U.S.-designated organization, Hamas, has brought it under the global spotlight, with governments worldwide observing Egypt's actions closely. Speculations arise about potential financial aid offers from foreign entities in exchange for shouldering the responsibility of hosting Palestinian refugees, underscoring the geopolitical intricacies entwined with this grand urban initiative. At the heart of this endeavor lies a fundamental objective: to decentralize governmental power from Cairo, the current capital burdened by decaying infrastructure, congested roads, and densely packed neighborhoods. A staggering 95% of Egypt's population, exceeding 100 million, resides within this narrow valley where stark wealth disparities and a history of dissent against authority have brewed social unrest. The genesis of this monumental undertaking traces back to the tumultuous events of 2011, when Cairo's Tahrir Square became the epicenter of protests, sparking a revolution that toppled Egypt's then president, paving the way for the ascension of President Abdel Fattah el-Sisi, a former general who rose to power in the aftermath of a military coup. Sisi unveiled the Administrative Capital Project in 2015, citing aims to decongest Cairo and usher in new economic opportunities. However, skeptics question the motives behind shifting the capital to the desert, positing that such a move could serve to create a buffer zone, shielding the government from potential uprisings in urban centers. Despite assurances to the contrary, reports suggest that a substantial portion of the project's funding has indeed been sourced from public coffers, raising concerns about transparency and accountability. As the administrative capital takes shape, a new narrative unfolds, highlighting the evolving challenges and complexities faced by Egypt. Escalating costs, exacerbated by external factors like the conflict in Ukraine, threaten to derail the financial sustainability of the project, casting shadows of doubt over its long-term viability. In the midst of economic uncertainties, Egypt's populace grapples with stark realities. The majority of citizens find themselves financially ill-equipped to afford housing in the new administrative capital, further deepening concerns about accessibility and inclusivity. Amidst these challenges, Egypt's diplomatic stature is put to the test, with foreign embassies cautiously observing developments and geopolitical dynamics influencing aid discussions. The specter of human rights concerns looms large, as international actors weigh their support against Egypt's track record in this domain. As the saga unfolds, the narrative of Egypt's new administrative capital serves as a microcosm of broader themes: ambition tempered by economic realities, the interplay of geopolitics and urban planning, and the delicate balance between progress and sustainability.